Health Check with Nurse Jen is presented by Island Cancer Center.
Hoffaday, I'm Nurse Jen and you're watching Health Check. Snoring is a common symptom that all of us have had at least once in our life, and approximately 15% of the total population frequently snores on a daily basis. The act of snoring is the unconscious reverberation sound that is made when the muscles of the throat relax during sleep and restrict the airway. The snoring spectrum has two categories. Simple snoring occurs occasionally, while magnitude snoring is a symptom of sleep apnea that disrupts one's quality of sleep. The real question is, do you know when it's time to see a doctor? You should see a doctor when your snoring becomes extreme. Extreme means your snoring is very loud, so loud that it can be heard in the next room, or if you're continually gasping or choking when sleeping in bed. Other reasons to seek professional help is if it causes ongoing insomnia, chronic feelings of tiredness, considerable mood swings, or you're routinely being awakened by a dry throat. Common causes of snoring: as you get older, ladies and gentlemen, your nose gets bigger, your throat becomes narrower, and the muscle tone decreases, so snoring could start to occur. Being overweight with extra fatty tissue can also contribute to snoring. Has your nose been punched? Are you a PXC fighter? Do you have nasal or sinus problems? A blocked airway or stuffy nose can make breathing difficult, creating a vacuum in the throat and lead to snoring. Also, sleeping flat on your back can cause the flesh of your throat to relax, push the lungs up, and block the airway. If this is the reason for snoring, it's best to lay on your sides or on your belly. And finally, the most obvious culprit is heavy smoking and drinking. These increase muscle relaxation in the throat, leading to more snoring. Bottom line, if you snore, you should start monitoring your snoring patterns to try to pinpoint why, and then you can devise a plan. Maybe consider buying a bedroom humidifier if the dry air is irritating your nose and throat. Try an anti-snoring mouth device. They can be purchased at the local supermarket or a drugstore. Consider clearing your nasal passages before going night-night. Blow your nose to clear the nasal passages and then rinse it with a neti pot or use a nasal decongestant or nasal strips. Again, these are all available at your local supermarket or drugstores. And good news, Guam has sleep centers and ENTs, ear, nose, and throat doctors, that a person with snoring spectrum can be referred to. And they're accredited by the American Academy of Sleep Medicine. I hope this helped you take a closer look at snoring. Email me any topics that you'd like to discuss to know more about. I'm Nurse Jen at KUAM.com. I'm Jennifer Artero, registered nurse, reminding you, don't wreck yourself, health check yourself.
Health Check with Nurse Jen is presented by Island Cancer Center.